Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and like the video as well. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to, basically the way I do a flush on a Radiator, the coolant. This is on a 2003 Mercury Mountaineer. And I'll show the compatible vehicles, but I believe it's 2002 up to 2005 Mountaineer, and then the Explorer versions as well. But first off, I already loosened this up, but just take this off or loosen it out. And then you go to the bottom, and it's a 19 millimeter. I'll show you what I'm talking about when you get down there. Okay. And you see, at the bottom of the car, this little nut here, it's a plastic nut, but you basically loosen it up. It's 19 millimeters. The radiator will flush out. Of course, capture it with a bucket or something. That's what I'm doing here. And after it's all drained out, I'll show you what the next step is. And just so you can have an idea, you can see there, I loosened it up already. And everything starts draining out from that spot there, right underneath the plastic bolt or nut or whatever. So you just basically wait for everything to clear out, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, now that the coolant is all drained out from the radiator, should be all gone, we're going to move on to the top and remove the hose here from the thermostat housing. And you just need some pliers to basically put these together, move it off to the side, and then take it out. Now be aware that there may be a lot of coolant in there still from the engine side and everything, so just be prepared that you may get dirty or whatever. But let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so then after I have everything out and getting ready to flush, since I took out the cable, I'm gonna put it here on the radiator to flush it out. Turn on the water. And then also I'm gonna do it on these two areas, and then also on the reservoir. And as you can see, since it's going straight on the radiator, it's coming out from the bottom, you want to let it running for a little bit just to clean out. Kind of have an idea there how it looks like. You see how it's coming out from the bottom? You can see there, kind of. You just let it run for a little bit so it can clean out everything from the radiator. And then you also move it onto this side, you can see it there, to try to get everything out of here so it could go out. You can see how it goes. And then also here on the engine side, just to clean everything out and let it flush out. And you can still hear the radiator with a lot of water going through it. And this is just to clear out everything. You can see there. And this is just to get all the, I guess, mineral deposits or anything just stuck in there. Just basically kind of like flushing it out. There is a better way to do this, but this is just my way, a quick, easy way. I always do it with the water hose. And then just, of course, refill everything with the coolant, 50-50 mix, or distilled water, and the straight antifreeze. And then also I just want to get this thing out of the way and get it cleared up. I always flush this out as well, just to kind of get it cleaned up. You can see it there rising. And you can actually remove the reservoir. I don't know if you can see that bolt there. There's one on the bottom and one on the other side. If you want to flush it out, I guess outside of this, you do have to remove this hose here and that one there on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it right there. And you can see everything is still coming out. And that's just from all the water that's in the system that you're going to clean it out. Alright, so let me know what you think about this flushing system. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up, like the video. And like I said before, this is for a 2003 Mercury Mountaineer. But the compatible vehicles are 2002 to 2005. And I'll put the Explorer, Ford Explorer, and then also the Lincoln Aviator models as well. Thank you very much.